Plumber in Logan, Utah. Canyon Plumbing and Heating, 435-881-6952.
This is the way that the story began. I turned my head and she came out of nowhere. Just like a dream, she is out of the blue. And I don't know why it is. But the only thing I want is to make it true. You got a crystal ball. Won't you tell me?
At 2 o'clock in the morning, the least of your worries is leaking plumbing causing damage to your home. At Canyon Plumbing and Heating, we understand your need to get your plumbing job done right. On time and on budget, we guarantee our work. Call now and get $25 off any plumbing repair. 24-hour emergency response. Call now, 435-881-6952, or visit www.loganutahplumber.com.